The buzz around the Galaxy S24 family integrating artificial intelligence is gaining momentum, and Samsung has officially confirmed it. In an unveiling post about Galaxy AI, the company promises AI that will revolutionize mobile experiences, describing Samsung Gauss as universal intelligence on your phone as you've never seen it before. Samsung Gauss is set to be omnipresent in crucial areas, offering barrier-free communication, simplified productivity, and unleashed creativity. The AI will operate locally with on-device AI developed by Samsung and collaborate with cloud-based AI from industry leaders. Amidst these advancements, leaks surrounding the upcoming One UI 6.1 hint at several AI improvements for the Galaxy S24 series, particularly in enhancing user accessibility. One confirmed feature highlighted by Samsung is the AI Live Translate call. This feature aims to display real-time audio and text translations during conversations, simplifying communication across languages. Samsung ensures privacy by utilizing on-device Galaxy A, mitigating concerns related to cloud data storage. However, the practicality of this feature raises questions. While it aids comprehension, without AI-equipped Galaxy phones on both ends of the conversation, responses may still lack meaning to the recipient. Yeah, Samsung's press release teases another intriguing feature, the Gauss language generative language model. It proposes tasks such as composing emails, summarizing documents, and content translation, enhancing work efficiency. The specifics of email composition implementation remain uncertain. It could offer typing suggestions or potentially generate entire emails based on given prompts, like drafting a complaint letter with minimal input. Additionally, Samsung hints at video features for the S24 Ultra's 200-megapixel cameras powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3's AI capabilities. These include eye tracking for continuous subject focus, simultaneous filming of cropped and full-angle shots, and end-to-end AI mosaic image capture for enhanced details and colors. Leaks hint at more features for the S24, including video upscaling, low-light improvements, screen reduction, stability enhancements, subject erasure from videos and photos, call-derived information for better planning, and an on-device AI chatbot. However, potential challenges loom. Past implementations like Bixby raise concerns about effective execution, and rumors of paywalling AI features could affect the device's appeal negatively. With the anticipated Galaxy S24 release reportedly scheduled for January 17, potentially hitting shelves on February 2, 2024, the true capabilities and reception of Samsung's AI innovations will unfold upon its launch.